Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to the channel. Firstly, apologies that no videos have been out. Life is busy. 3 kids, one of those being a newborn, business, full-time job. But look, ooh, still here. Gonna go to the cafe this morning. This prat was supposed to pick me up 10 minutes ago, but he's late. So, you're late.
You're late.
Where you been?
Standing at the end of the drive.
Where you been?
If we was working together and you were standing on the end of the drive,
Let's get this right. You don't do a day's work.
Catch you later.
Come on. We're gonna go and meet Tom. Jesus Christ.
It is mid-tight, isn't it?
Jesus Christ. No wonder Kimdo not going out in the van. I'll be better off sitting in there.
Well, you just wait. You just have to stay there.
Right, let's go and get some breakfast. Here we go, breakfast club on a Sunday morning. Is it that one there?
Yeah. I can't hear.
Here we go. Yeah, boys. Tom's new car. Right, look at this Jag. Oh, Johnny Fisher. Bash. Tom, what are you going to show? Right, mate, show us your new whip. Show us your new car. Come on, show us.
Okay.
Show us the car. Okay, show us the car, Tom.
There you go.
Wait, okay.
There you go. So it's really
Jump in, pal. Jump in. Oi, Bush. Get in the.
Oh my god, how windy is it?
Hey!
Right. How are we?
It's nice, eh?
Yeah, still on, lads.
All the best. It's nice, eh?
This is nice, ain't it?
Oh, that's a nice place to be for a couple of chavvys, ain't it? Oh.
Hey, well, we get robbed.
Hello, mate.
Usually this does much.
Uber, where to, mate?
Yeah, turn it on.
Here we go.
Turn it on there, kid.
Put your foot on the mate. I'm not squeezing there.
Oi. Whole gang rolling out. Hello, mushies. Look at this. Look at this. Where are we going? This is sick, man.
Look at the fuel light.
The fuel
That's
light.
not mine. That's
like being in all his car.
Perfect.
This is a nice place to be. This is mine. Full screen. What do you reckon?
Oh, did he
Someone's dropped their bat. Someone's dropped their bat.
Oh,
Yeah.
it smells fresh in the front.
It doesn't smell like poo, it smells like California scents. Oh my god, it stinks.
Wait, shall I put the keys on?
Being at work,
It's
eh?
keyless, isn't it? So you can hold it wherever.
No handbrake on that.
No auto, mate.
Let me put
Just do me a favour, don't rag it, because I don't want the crank to fall out of it.
Mate, I'm old now, I don't rag cars.
But just experience it for the wafter it is, and just, yeah.
Driving a Jag.
God, I hate it when he drives.
Shut your
Rough.
New 4 Series.
Oh, this is absolutely lovely.
Ah, we're driving a Jag.
Driving the Jag. Let's go and get the paper.
You need a smoker's jacket to drive this
Go
part.
and get the paper from the co-op. Oh, this is a lovely place to be, mate. It's a lovely place to be.
Lovely around here, mate.
Oh, so that's the school I went to.
Oh my
Only
god.
A-grade students come out of there. This is a nice place to be, man.
278 horsepower, 600 foot-pound of torque, 8 speed ZF, 3 litre TDV6. Yeah, man.
That's what I'm saying. I felt like I was on Top Gear then.
Absolute f***ing wafter.
What a after? This is comfy, man.
This is the anti-ban vehicle because the 335 is a licence loser, so it's got to go.
Yeah, we can see ourselves throwing this round the Nürburgring, mate.
No, do you know what? I reckon it put a lap in.
Yeah, I reckon it would.
Hey, you know, you went for JLR, fucking
Okay.
dynamics, mate.
This
You
is
know what I mean?
fly, mate. Active air underneath and everything.
You know what though, I
It's
quite
got
like...
it's actually got dynamic dampers on it.
Has it?
Yeah, so when you put it in sport mode, it's meant to stiffen all up. I haven't put it in sport mode yet, so don't worry.
You know what, I quite like the bonnet. I like how the bonnet rises in the middle there.
Wilkinson.
Bowers and
system.
Wilkins, yeah, man. I feel like I'm driving the president round. Come on, mate.
Do you know what? I was looking at XJS's.
Oh, yeah.
The XJ, so the longer one of these, and
Yeah.
they're quite cheap.
Oh, this is comfy, man.
It is nice,
I'm
isn't
so
it?
surprised. What is it, Tom's water car? That's actually half decent.
Nah. So I used to live here.
Where?
Which one was it?
Just taking
148.
random videos of people's houses.
That one there. From the van.
Oh, lovely. Do you mind? You used to live there.
I used to live there,
Mate, I
mate.
can't believe you actually fit in here quite nice.
Mate, this car's massive.
You need to put a seat forward or anything like that.
No, mate, I'm actually like fully comfortable.
No way. This is sick.
Oh, I'm pleased with that.
We're not small people.
You know what I mean? Like,
So
We are.
exactly. Look at the size of you. Look at the size of you.
Full English for that. Go to the ring, mate. We've got something else we can waft about in.
This is fantastic, you know.
Heated and cool seats, so if you get sweaty gooch, bang
All
cool
seats
seat
as
on.
well.
Yeah.
Tell you what. You know what?
Well,
This
you
is
can
like
get a tow bar or anything, or what?
this is like the four-man review, car review.
Yeah, this is the 4 horsemen.
You know what I mean? How are we all?
Horsemen. Yeah, 4 bummers. Whee, get your fucking Corey out, pal.
You don't want to see more Corey,
Get the
pal?
fucking throat clogger out.
You know, the magnet's not moving.
It's a blender as well, man.
Right,
No
this
one
is
expects
lovely,
me
man.
to be driving it,
Yeah,
so
we
I'm
could
happy
smash
about
and
that.
grab in this easy.
Yeah, proper rammer.
I'll smash it with the Touareg and you just pull it out with this.
That's it.
We've got
Mate, it does
panels and
like-
everything.
Yeah. That's a bit-
Corey, calm down, James. All
That was nice, that was.
A small
That's
man.
a smooth.
just a tickle.
You know what I mean? That's what we're
Lovely,
doing.
man.
Just a little tickle now and again.
If little bambinos come along, we can stick a fucking baby seat and a pram in the room. Huge proof. So go look at these
Yeah,
things nowadays.
you thought forward with this, mate. Oh, no, I like it, you know. It's not. This is the first time I've ever driven a Jag. Even though I work there. No, it's
Mad,
not.
isn't it?
I've driven XEs,
Yeah,
F Paces, F Type. Driven all them. Never driven one on the roads. This is nice, man.
You know what I mean? So, yeah. I'm pleased with it.
There you go. There's a surprise video for you on a Sunday.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
cry when I get home and talk about it with the 335.
Breakfast Club Sundays has now become Breakfast Club and Car Review Sundays.
Oh, look at the van!
Oh, look at the
Yeah.
sapper.
Oi, oi,
Oh,
oi,
yes,
oi,
yes,
oi,
yes.
oi.
You're hitting the wheels on it, man.
I know.
You've got the wheels on the car, just swap them over, you'll be happy with
I
it.
got 4 axle stands, man. Put it on the axle stands.
I know.
That was lovely.
Well, anyway,
Tom.
that was the four-man review.
It's got child locks. So
Are you locked in the back, lads? Let's get out.
Literally woke up the whole neighbourhood.
Yeah, come on, we're fathers, man. Come on, we've got to be respectful. We have children.
Right, let's go.
Right, that was Breakfast Club.
Yeah.
See you next weekend for another version of
Is there anything there?
Breakfast. Is anything there? Is there anything there? He said.
Oh.
You can't. Are you blind? Are you blind? You not see me? Why are you coming fast? Anyway, see you in the next one.
See you later,
Peace.
pal.